product because I couldn't find a suitable wallet for my lifestyle. I love adventures, travel, winter and water sports, but traditional wallets aren't designed to be carried in the ocean or exposed to the elements. I was fed up with leaving my valuables hidden in the sand. So I built a wallet that is waterproof and can be submerged up to a depth of 3 meters. No more worrying about your money or keys being stolen from your hiding spot on the beach. I've been through countless prototypes and spent months searching for the right manufacturer and materials. The development process has taken over a year. Submerged wallets come in 2 parts that are designed to be together: a waterproof wallet and card holder. Small enough to fit inside any pocket, the card holder can hold up to 10 cards in 3 divided sections. It can hold notes, coins, and keys. It is made from high-quality elastic and faux suede. It has 2 hidden pockets, perfect for small items. It is lightweight, thin, and is the size of a credit card. The waterproof wallet is made from TPU, a bridge between rubber and plastics. TPU is degradable and non-toxic. The wallet can be strapped to your arm or attached to a carabiner. The strap is fully detachable to leave you with a thin, durable pouch that can also fit inside most pockets. We use an airtight waterproof zipper and have heat sealed the seams, ensuring that your valuables stay dry at all times. Want to go on a run in the rain and grab a coffee on the way home? Strap your wallet and keys to your arm. Driven to the beach for a surf? Put your car keys and cash within your wallet and avoid any issues. Adventurous holidays should be spontaneous. Minimize your worries and maximize convenience with this wallet that will follow you from dawn to dusk. No matter what activity you are submerging yourself with, let your focus be on that moment. Submerged wallets.
Introducing Tornado, your perfect solution to deal with heat. Simply wear it around your waist. And stay cool with strong wind blowing from 5 fans with 1 click. Tornado offers 3 wind levels: 500 millimeter air supply radius and 585 liter a minute total air supply volume can dispel the heat for keeping cool and comfortable. Nothing handheld is required, and it never affects any of your movements. Its rechargeable battery can last for up to 3.5 hours, and with a tiny power bank, you can stay cool for the whole day. Tornado works silently and is placed away from your ears, so you can barely hear any noise when you're out jogging, listening to music, making phone calls, or just plain talking. The gravity-free design allows you to move freely and easily with comfort. The bladeless fans can avoid potential hair and clothes twisting. We also offer skin-friendly, icy-feeling silicone belts in 2 different sizes. You can have it directly touch your skin or wear it under your shirt to keep the wind around your body as much as possible for the coolest effect. Wear your Tornado and make sweating on hot days a thing of the past.